In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the full process together, step by step, so that by the end you'll know exactly how to bring a list of contacts into your CRM without losing data or creating a mess of duplicates. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account. From the main navigation bar at the top, look for the Contacts tab. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This is where all of your people records live, and it's the module where we'll be importing your list. Once you're on the Contacts page, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Import option. In many layouts, this might appear as a button labeled Import or a plus icon with an import option in a drop-down. Click on that and then choose Import Contacts. This opens the import wizard, which will guide you through the rest of the process. Next, it's time to upload your file. Zoho CRM supports common formats like CSV and XLSX, so make sure your contact list is saved in one of those formats. Before you upload, it's a good idea to download Zoho's sample file from this screen. That sample shows you exactly how your headers should be structured, which helps prevent errors later. Adjust your own file so the column names are clear and consistent, like first name, last name, email, phone, and company. When your file is ready, either drag and drop it into the upload area or click to browse and select it from your computer. After your file is uploaded, Zoho will ask how you want to handle existing contacts. Here you can decide whether to only add new records, to update records that already exist, or to do a combination of both. Think about whether your file contains brand new contacts, updates to your current database, or a mix, and choose the option that best fits your situation to avoid creating duplicates. Now you'll move into field mapping. On this screen, Zoho shows the columns from your file on one side and the CRM fields on the other. Work through each column, matching it to the correct field in Zoho, such as mapping your email column to the email field, phone to phone, and so on. A very important step here is to map your company column to the account name field in Zoho. That's how Zoho links each contact to the right company record. If you have data that doesn't fit any existing field, you can create a new custom field right from this screen, then map your column to that new field. Once your fields are mapped, you'll see some additional configuration options. This is where you can assign tags to all of the imported contacts, or enable assignment rules if you want new contacts to be automatically assigned to specific users or teams. When everything looks good, click Finish. Zoho will run the import in the background, so you don't need to stay on that page. You'll receive a notification inside Zoho when the import is complete. Finally, once you see that notification, go back to your Contacts tab and refresh your browser. You should now see your newly imported contacts listed, organized, and connected to their accounts, ready for you and your team to start working with them.